Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop auto-reply in Gmail. This is perfect for those times when you've used vacation mode, but now need your inbox to return to normal. Let's walk through the steps together so you can disable auto-reply quickly and easily. First, open your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your inbox page. Now, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon which represents your settings menu. Click on it to reveal more options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will open the full Gmail settings page, giving you access to various features that control how your Gmail behaves. By default, you'll land on the General tab, which is exactly where we need to be for this task. Scroll down until you find the Vacation Responder section. This is where Gmail manages all auto-reply settings. If vacation mode is currently active, you'll see details of the automatic message that's being sent and the dates it's set to run. Here's the important part. You'll notice options to turn the Vacation Responder on or off. Since we want to stop auto-replies, go ahead and select Vacation Responder off. This will immediately disable any automated emails being sent from your account. Finally, don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This step is essential because it confirms and applies your modifications. Without saving, your auto-reply could remain active. And that's it. Your Gmail inbox will now function normally, and no more automatic replies will be sent. Remember, you can always re-enable vacation mode in the future if you need it. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your Gmail experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.